This documentary on Netflix is wild. It's about a cult that sucked in a bunch of TikTok dancers, and you've probably seen this couple on your page a few times. Their name is Miranda and James Derrick, and Miranda's sister Melanie and her parents are still trying to pull her out of this. Thankfully, many of the young adult dancers found their way out of the cult, but the stuff that they described that goes on in there is scary. The head of this cult is Robert Shin. He would go by the name Man of God. He ran the Shekinah Church and a talent management group called 7M, and that's what really sucked in all of these young dancers. Basically told them that he is the pathway to heaven and he would give them fame and fortune, and they went through extreme brainwashing. They had to cut out every single person in their life. Miranda's sister Melanie says that when her grandfather died, Miranda had to ask Man of God for permission to go to the funeral, and she didn't even show up. They also found out that she got married through TikTok. All of their finances were going to this man, Robert Shin, and they were literally signing NDAs in church. Some of the others said that they would wake up, work from morning till night for his $1 million businesses and make $100 a week. And listen to how sick this is. He said that he would tell them to come massage him and do him favors so that one day they can earn the title of Woman of God.